Morning guys, Rick here. Today is Tuesday, January 26th. Time is 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stock market is open now. This is my second trade of the day, so let me get you caught up. I'm doing a lot of stuff. So, okay, here's where we at. I am short at 30.70. 30.70. Got filled back in on a retrace. Man, it ain't that far back. It just happened. Okay, here it is. Filled right here. Back on a retrace. Saw some absorptions. Jumped in. So it actually did reach back up there to the bar, but no big deal. So short at 30.70. Half off at 30.60. 60. Right there. And stop is sitting at 75 right now. So -5 stop on that trade there. So the concern was it just kept stalling out right around the point of control. So I don't know if it was going to stay in 80% rule and shoot it on up or come on back. I still don't know really, but I just wanted to get into a position and if I'm right, then great. If not, then break even. So no big deal. So this is the point now, looking for a push down. A lot of things still line up to say. I mean, we've had over 100 tick run up this morning, or from overnight to this morning, more like 150 ticks, somewhere in there. Stochastic still, or moving average still pointing down, and we got into the oversold area, overbought area, back here in pre-market around 7 a.m. So I took a pretty decent 65 tick runner down from this bar up here down to 30.02, I believe it was. It's on the previous video. That's up on YouTube as we speak. So, okay, so now at this point, just trying to catch one more decent runner or a few more decent scalps, and I'll be done trading for the day at this point. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna sit back and watch, and I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, I just pulled two contracts off at 30.50 for 20 ticks. Still 3 contracts short at 30.70. At this point, I'm going to move my stop on the break even now, right there at 30.70 instead of 75, and we'll see. We still got a lot of action going on. I mean, there's a lot of buildup going in between these areas, and actually you can see it over here on the volume profile as well. So it's difficult to say what is going on if we're just kind of in a channel area, looking for a breakout on one side or the other, preferably below the value area low, and that's ideal. And hopefully we can stay below the point of control as well. So, but I'm a bear right now, so obviously that's what I want to happen. So, okay, guys, 3 contracts short at 30.70. Stop sitting at break even now, and seeing if we're gonna get a push down yet. All right, be back shortly. Okay, that was crazy. All right, stop just got hit at this point, so now I'm just kind of back to watching, and this area, there's just a lot of congestion going on. Nothing really valid as prints. So while a break even, get in and break even is nice, I think I'm gonna need to sit this one out for just a hair and wait for a valid 400 print to figure out which way these guys want to take it. There is one over. This happened a while ago on these big turn downs. This was pre-market prints though, so 200s for the valid area. So right around 90 seemed to be okay. But we're still in 80% rule, so it's really difficult to say if they want to go up with this or down. So when I have indecision, I'll just sit on the sideline and wait. So, all right, guys, I'll be back a little bit later, and we'll see where we're at. Okay, I see a big print right here. Now this is going to be difficult to gauge on which direction these guys are going. We're sitting right on the point of control, banging into an I zone. We got the 80% rule still in effect, up to 31.32, and a downslope bar. This one's difficult. This one's really difficult to say. So what I'm going to try to do is take this joker long Okay, filled at 30.70. See if I can get out half at 30.80. So let's hit sell 5 limit there. Okay, we'll see if we can get that off at 30.80. Kind of gauging where the number of aggressive buyers came in. Okay, that just came off there. So now I'm going to move my stop to break even at this point. At 5, because actually, I still don't know. I mean, the clusters like this, it's actually still fairly balanced. I was reaching kind of a mid top or intraday top right there between 70 and 90. So we'll just see if this is just the right analysis on this one here. So, all right, guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we at. All right, guys, trade's looking good right now. I'm gonna take 2 positions off, or 2 contracts off right here at the deviation level. I just came off at 30.94, so I'm still long. 3 contracts at 30.70, and I will, let's see here. I'm gonna leave my stop at break even for the moment, and see if we're gonna continue to push on up. So right now we got a 5 deviation line, and we got the top of an I zone. So that's the challenge, see if we can break through this area here or not. So 80% rule looks really good though from 30.45. Looking to take off more positions right there. 31.32. That's the ideal area. All right, I'll be back shortly. All right, I'm going to pull another contract off here at 90. Again, let's see if we can get out at market. Okay, that one came off right at 90. This big print right here, this is looking like a valid reversal print, and it's banging right up against a 5 deviation line there. So because I'm in this long, I'm just going to tighten my stop now. So I'm going to move it on up to 80. So that'll lock in 10 ticks if we do decide to shoot on back down at this point here. So still 2 contracts long at 30.70. Stop is now moved to 30.80, and I've been peeling off right there around 30.90 or so. So locking in 20 ticks on this peel off, or peeling off up to 20 ticks on this peel off here. So we're going to try to pull another one off at 3100 if we can get back up there again and see, but not exactly sure. So depending on where this bar closes, possibly looking to take it short again. So as I want it to be a bear today anyway, but really nice pull-offs for the most part. 65 ticks this morning. We got 20 here. 20 here so far, and some decent 10-tick break-even trade. So, all right, I'll be back and we'll see where we're at. Okay, another tick came off, or another contract came off at 3100. Like that's 30 ticks peel off, and now I am leaving my stop right at 80 for the moment, and see where we can go from there. So, all right, guys, I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, just closed the last contract at limit 3120. So that was 50 ticks locked in on that trade there. So I believe I'm done for the day. So 2 really nice runners, 1 short and 1 this long here, catching this joker up there. So okay, I'll wrap this video up. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.